Buenos tardes, amigos. Chappie here. We'll get a great episode coming up. Appies with Chappie by the lake. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. I just flew in from Cuba and boy are my balls tired. I made some arancini rice balls. It's a Sicilian dish. Now, what I did the other night, we had burgers for dinner. I had some leftover hamburger. So instead of mozzarella cheese, I filled my rice balls with a little bit of cheeseburger. So it's sort of Sicily meets USA. So we need a drink to go with my balls. Today I'm going to make a Shambanger Cocktail. So I got my trusty cocktail shaker here. A little bit ice. And we're going to go 1 ounce of cherry brandy. An ounce of white rum. And a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup, and a 1/2 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And we're going to do 6 dashes of grapefruit bitters. We'll give that a shaky. Got a short glass, we'll add a little bit more ice. And we're going to strain that in. And I got an orange wedge. Grapefruit wedge would probably be better because we had the grapefruit bitters. But that is a Shambanger cocktail to go with my Cheeseburger Arancinis. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Mookie and I'm Chappie, and we're saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.